this question, the question clearly asks about describe how natural vegetation of India depends on the annual distribution of rainfall. The introduction of the answer should be how rainfall plays a crucial role in the distribution of natural vegetation. But the body of the answer should be clearly demarcated or should be clearly divided into high rainfall regions, moderate rainfall regions, low rainfall regions, etc. But what students usually forget is within these subheadings or within these regions also, you need to cover certain crucial aspects. As to say, for example, if you're writing about high rainfall regions or high rainfall areas, you need to cover the pattern or the period of the rainfall or the amount of rainfall that these regions are going to get. Say for example, high rainfall regions, you need to cover, like say for example, period they get in the month of monsoon, or they get because of orography, or they get 200 centimeters of rainfall, and the type of vegetation that is found in these regions. Say for example, mahogany, rosewood, ebony, etc. So you need to link the rainfall region with the period, pattern, amount, and the vegetation that it is found there. That is when your answer will be holistic and